My dear friends, in this video, I'm going to show you a profitable pocket option 1 minute strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. And it will help you to make lots of profitable trades in your upcoming days. So watch this video very carefully because this is the exact strategy that have helped me to achieve 100% win rate by making 6 trades right in a row. And I'm going to exactly show you all of these 6 trades that I have made with the exact strategy that I'm going to explain you now. But before that, if you want some free binary signals and want to copy my trades directly, then do join my free Telegram channel. In that free Telegram channel, I will give free signals daily. And if you want to join my VIP copy trading channel, then you can find the instruction in that free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you make all, okay, let me remove it firstly. Firstly, you just make all of these currency pair favorite that have 92% payout, just make it yellow. Once you do this much, then just click on these candles and make it as 30. That means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. And then if it is flagged, make it clock and just select M1 as a trading time frame. That means your trade will be closed in exactly 1 minute or 60 seconds. And then you decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Now you need to use these 3 indicators, and you can find all of these 3 indicators at here. What I will do is I'll remove all of these indicators and show you by implementing all of these. So you just go to here, okay, and then firstly you implement this bulls power indicator and then just click on setting, okay, go to styles and make it 3px so that it is more visible to your eyes. And you don't need to make any changes in these settings, okay, it's fine. Similarly, another indicator is RSI. So just implement this RSI indicator. Again, click on this pencil icon and make it 3px, all of these 3px, okay? Because it will be more visible. That's why you need to make this 3px. And again, you need to put another indicator that is called stochastic oscillator. Just click on it and again make all of these 3px. You don't need to make any other changes in the settings, okay? Just make this 3px. So once you have done this much, then just click on save. Then you can see your chart is ready. Now you can start to trade. The trading strategy is extremely simple. Firstly, I'll explain you this strategy and then I'll exactly show you by making trades. So okay, let's talk about when to click on higher. As you can see here, whenever all of these 3 indicators is indicating that you need to make a trade by clicking on higher, at that exact time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Here you can see it is going in upward direction, it is also going in upward direction, and it is also going in upward direction. It is as simple as this. You just need to click on higher if you see this kind of scenario, and you will find lots of this kind of scenario, okay? So now let's talk about when you need to click on lower. As you can see here, whenever this all 3 indicators is facing downwards, at that exact time you make trade by clicking on lower. It is as simple as this. Now I'll show you by making few trades. And friends, please do like this video. Let's get started.